In the year 2010, about 1 million people died of starvation and diseases combined. In the same year, 2010, about 3 million people died of obesity alone. This could only mean that as of January 11, 2025, man has had more issues with eating too much than he has had with fighting diseases and infections. So, what we are today in the present day is determined by a combination of factors. Yes, it is not just purely biological, but all these factors, physical, biological, environmental, are acting upon a genetic framework. See, even in the scripture, remember Jesus said that it is not what goes inside of the man that defies him, but what comes out of the man. So, but in biology and in science, the reverse is the case. It's not what comes out of a man that defies him, but what goes inside of the man. In fact, what comes out of the man saves him. For example, if you're eating and you are not excreting, then you cannot live. If you cannot excrete out the waste products in your body, if you don't find a way to balance your system, then you cannot survive. So what comes out of you saves you, but what goes into you defies you. Now, we are what we eat. The doctors of the future are going to be treating people with nutrition. So let's look at these two twins up here in the photo. One is Ella and the other is Tina. See, they are both twin sisters. But you see, the one is getting fat and the other is normal. This is because of their choice of food. While Ella has decided to have more of vegetables and water as her food source, Tina, on the other hand, prefers to have synthetic food like burgers and soda. So we see here, we can see in the photo that Tina is getting fatter and while Ella is normal, is moderate. So what we eat does not necessarily determine what we are or how we look, but it may influence it. It may influence how genes are expressed. So Ella and Tina, they both have the fat genes. The choice of food may have influenced their biology in general. So we are what we eat. We are what we allow inside our system. Those things that scientific research does for us is to help us to make better choices. It's like this, when we know better, we make better decisions, especially regarding our food and our nutrition. What we eat. Eat well, live well.